so you got 2 points. No, 3 points. Oliver got 3 points.
I got 2 points.
Cool. Oliver got one more turn. That's 4 points. There you go. 5.
Jinx.
Rainy day fun.
Come on.
We weren't really keeping points though, right? All right. We don't need to do points. Almost, Daph. Try again.
2 more tries.
Thank you, Oliver. That was
But
good.
tries count.
Whoop. One more try. Easy. Okay. Oh, it's okay. It was a good try.
0 points.
That's okay. We don't always have to get points. It's still fun to play, right? You're still smiling. Good one. Oh. It takes practice to see how hard to throw it, where to bounce it. There you go. Go ahead, Daph, your turn. Good job, and you guys are playing nice.
8. Number 8. Wait, am I right here?
Nope, this is your diamond right here. Right here. Oh, are you okay?
Did that count? Please tell me that
No, that didn't count.
I thought it was a good one.
Daph, hold on, baby girl.
It went
Oops.
straight to you.
There you go. Remember, right there. There you go. See? Awesome
One more
job.
try.
One more. Okay, you got 1 out of 3. That's cool.
Ready?
Back up, baby girl. Come on, buddy. Cool.
9.
Let's go, Oliver. Let's go. 2. You're going a little too close, bud. There you go. Woohoo! 3 out of 3.
How much is that?
3 out of, you got all 3. I get that. I don't know. We remember we stopped taking scores, so I don't know. I lost count.
I think we're at 15.
Wait, whereabouts it? Wait,
That's
is
it.
diamond?
Yeah,
That's right there.
Yeah, that's diamond. Diamond!
Good. That's so. Bounce box ball.
Bouncy. Oh!
And maybe I'll make you go out and dance in the rain. What do you think? Go dance in the rain? Oliver, I see the look on your face. Troublemaker. Listen, no, we don't want to do that. You know why? We don't want to break all Mom's things.
We won't.
If you go crazy with these 2, yes, you will. I'll.
Okay.
Woohoo! Daphne!
I got 2 points, I guess.
Okay, Oliver, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, no, it went around the rim.
Bouncy.
Get off the ball.
Good one. She can sit with it, honey. You sat with it the whole time.
It's my ball.
So, you sat with it?